G'day folks, how are you? I hope you're alright and still with us. Yeah, so not too far to start boarding now anyway, only a matter of minutes at most.
About 5 minutes ago they called it.
Something like that, I've lost track. Yeah, so it flies out, I think, 14:35. Yeah. Oh well, I'll flip the camera around, you see what we're flying on, the old Airbus A350-900. There he is, that's our flight, that's our aircraft.
236 to Singapore. We now invite passengers in group by seated in row 51 to 60 to board.
I say 350-900.
Please have your passport open and photographed. Boarding pass ready for inspection by gate staff.
Yeah, a few people here at Brisbane Airport today. Yeah, having a bite to eat and whatever else. A couple of Qantas planes over there. The bus A330, etc. Yeah. Oh well, see how it all goes. They've been a little bit cloudy out there, and there's a bit of a cyclone up far north Queensland. Might get a little bit of turbulence or something to that effect. Keeps the ride interesting. As always. So,
Right on Cowboy.
Gateway Bridge over there. So yeah, oh well, all goodly good. We'll talk to you shortly once we've boarded the aircraft. So you get to see how everything goes, take off and all that sort of jazz as well. We'll incorporate that into the deal. As always, yes.
Wrong flight.
No, I'm going to Auckland. It's over the loudspeaker at the moment.
No, we're going north, not south.
That's the one. Oh well, we'll talk to you very soon, so bye-bye.
Yeah.